Hi everyone! Today we'll quickly break down one of the most important topics in downstream purification, chromatography column integrity checks. If you're in pharma or biopharma, this is something you can't ignore. Chromatography columns are the heart of purification. A small packing issue can lead to poor separation, low yield impurity breakthrough, failed batches, regulatory deviations. Regulators like US FDA, EMA, MHRA expect every GMP column to be checked and verified before use. When do we perform integrity checks? After packing. Before every production campaign. After CIP or sanitization. When pressure flow behavior changes. If channeling or cracks are suspected. This ensures the column consistently performs as expected. Now, let's cover the key integrity tests. HETP, height equivalent to a theoretical plate. This checks column efficiency. Lower HETP means better performance. We compare HETP against vendor specs and historical trends. Asymmetry factor, or AF. AF checks the peak shape. Ideal AF is between 0.8 and 1.5. A high AF indicates poor packing or fouling. Pressure flow curve, or PFC. PFC evaluates the mechanical stiffness of the packed bed. If flow drops at the same pressure, it indicates resin degradation or blockage. Visual inspection. Quick checks include cracks, voids, air bubbles, channeling, discoloration. Conductivity pulse test. This shows flow distribution and axial spreading, useful for large columns. 4 common reasons for failure. Incorrect packing method, resin degradation, air entrapment, excess pressure, inadequate CIP, improper storage, distribution plate issues. A chromatography column is only as good as its integrity. A strong integrity program ensures consistent purification, higher yield, and full regulatory compliance. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.